Hello, welcome, Pete, to another live chat of Bitcoin, comic, and stock trading. It's been, I think, 5 weeks since the last time I had a Bitcoin chat. Good morning, beautiful, sunny, bright, hot, humid day here in sunny Florida. Welcome. I just come in from feeding the chicken, retrieve the eggs, clean out the coop, do the thing. So anyhow, real quickly, I don't want to keep this too long. Um, Bitcoin right now is around 46-ish. The next big resistance is going to be roughly 5% above. Okay, so I think 48, 49, 50, between 48 and 50 is going to be a big battle. Okay, that's my prediction. Um, we'll see. We'll see if Bitcoin can crack that and move higher. But I think we are going to see a bigger battle there than what we saw at 42 and 45. Okay. I spoke to a few people offline over the past few months, and I said that once it go over 40, it need to. I'm not saying anything here that is new to those that follow technical analysis. There's plenty of channels on YouTube that talk about these things. But yeah, once I saw 42 was sustainable, jumping over that 45, that was not hard. But the hard spot is gonna be between 48 and 50. Morning Moneyball and Omega Comics. Yeah, so we'll see. I will watch it. Uh, the good news for me is over the past 3.5, 4 months in this downturn, I was able to put in $20,000 into Bitcoin. Yes, I talked about that. I mentioned that I bought, half a Bitcoin roughly a couple of weeks back, right? So I added some more. So altogether, I was able to add about 60 cents, a little bit more than 60 cents worth of Bitcoin. Average price 32,000 something. So am I complaining? No. Um, but let's revisit what we talked about the last chat. Okay, China. Oh my God, China is banning Bitcoin. When there's no way for me to help anybody, okay? If their way of investing or trading Bitcoin is listening to somebody else. I can tell you this, the sooner you develop your own mind, the sooner you will learn how to succeed at trading, flipping anything, whether it's stock, comic books, or crypto. If you had to listen to somebody to tell you what to do, if you need constant hand holding, you will fail. Period. Okay. You might not like what I just said, but that's how things are. Okay. It's not, I don't know anyone that are successful in flipping comic books or trading stocks or trading crypto that need to be told what to do by somebody else. Eventually, you need to man up and figure it out on your own. Okay. The worst flaw of human forever is that we are so prone to believe in somebody else because the way they talk. Okay. Slick talker, people that sound smart, people that dress well, spoke eloquently, silver tongue. People are so quick to believe whatever they say. Just like for, go beyond just crypto, okay? It's politics, you name it. People on TV, it's people like this, bad grammar, speak with an accent like this and look like this. But we're not TV material, okay? I'm not saying that I am the authority on anything. I'm just saying that too often YouTubers that have big following, well-spoken, eloquent, dress well, have all kind of fancy stuff behind them to brag, to show off. Just because somebody have money or have success does not mean what they say is truth or facts. Good God, it baffles my mind how people believe in other people. When are people are going to question what other people say? Okay, at some point you have to. Every channel that FUD about China, calling for Bitcoin to drop to 20 to 10,000. Good God. So even 2 weeks ago, as recent as maybe 10 days ago, there was still many YouTubers, big channels, big influencers that are talking about Bitcoin dropping to 10,000 because the history of Bitcoin is that it would drop 85%. The same people will tell you you don't follow Bitcoin history of the past. Okay, 4 months ago when Bitcoin crashed, the same people I'm pretty sure will tell you Bitcoin pattern and chart has been broken. What happened in the last 3 cycles are broken. Can't rely on the past. The same people now, Bitcoin will go to 10,000 because it has always give back 85% from the top. Yet people believe. What is wrong with people? Hello, Lawrence Jackson. This is why I have a huge problem with followers. Okay, at some point you need to stop being a follower and walk on your own. Okay, I don't know any successful people that are followers. Turkey is banning Bitcoin. Oh my God. Go back to the last many chats I have. There was people in the chat talking about, oh my God, Turkey. Aren't you worried? Turkey. Turkey? People are worrying about Turkey. And then, of course, China. Oh my God, China is banning Bitcoin. Ah. Where are those people now? Oh, I forgot. I think I blocked them all. I do not debate with stupids. Okay, that's one thing I learned with YouTube is debating with stupid will only escalate into dumber stuff. Okay, it's when somebody says something so stupid and I snap at the stupidity, the best thing to do is block, ban, move on. There's no need for me to stick around to engage in. There's nothing learned. Nothing's gonna be learned. Okay, I'm not gonna learn anything from stupid people. That sound arrogant? Yes. Some people will look at that. Oh my God, he is so arrogant. But seriously, honestly, if you meet somebody that do a lot of stupid things, say a lot of stupid things, are you gonna stick around and believe what they say, or discuss, debate, argue with that person? Why would you want to do that? I don't. So whenever I see stupidity in my chat, poof, that person is gonna be put in place and get the f out of here because there's no need for that. Life is too short to waste debating, discussing with stupidity. Yeah. Well, yeah, yes, you are correct, Dave. You can learn what not to do. And for sure with crypto, we can all learn to not going around going, China banned crypto. Oh, Turkey. Oh my goodness. It's unreal. The one thing that I learned from crypto over the past o- over a year and a half now, almost 2 years since I understood and believe in Bitcoin, is that this place, this space, the crypto space, is filled with three kinds of people. Okay, there are haters, non-believers. There are believers, and then there's people that just in it because they heard it's a good place to make money. They couldn't give a damn about understanding crypto. They couldn't give a damn about if it's real, if it's not. They just wishy-washy, believing in everything everybody else say. Okay, so that's the three main group of this space. And believe it or not, I don't hate the haters. If you don't believe in Bitcoin and you think it's complete nonsense, fine. If you believe in Bitcoin, you champion Bitcoin, fine. If you're one of those lemmings that just here because you heard it can make money, but you couldn't give a damn about learning about this stuff, you couldn't give a damn about studying this thing or putting in any effort in understanding, you're just there to be told what to do. Please tell me what to do. Oh, I have a huge problem with that crowd, and I can guarantee you that crowd is bigger than the other two crowds. Okay, that's the problem with this space. A lot of dipshits, a lot of dipshits. Okay, yes, I'm calling those people dipshits more so than the people that don't believe in Bitcoin. If you don't believe in Bitcoin for whatever personal reason or what your mind works, that's fine. But people that throw money into this space but refuse or give a damn to learn, to understand anything, dipshitters. Hello, Perez. So often those are the people that talk stupid because they just repeaters. They just go out there and repeat garbage from other channels. Oh, did you hear? I'm so worried about China. Mm, regardless, if you're a believer, I'm a believer, and I'm not here to convince anyone to be a believer. Okay, I said that from my first very video on this topic is that I'm not here to convince anybody. If somebody want to learn more, want to understand more, I would try to help. And there are people that ask me for help, and then some of those people said, "No, after you talk to me and show me the videos, I don't want to do this." Fine, it's okay. Like I said, I rather deal with people like that than people that buy into it and then panic, going crazy, losing their mind. When Bitcoin dropped from 60 to 30, they're blaming people. Oh, it's your fault. You did this. You told me to do this. Yeah. Oh, I'm sure there's a lot of people that lost a lot of money when Bitcoin went from 60 to 30 because they panic. Panic and FOMO, good God, leads you to nowhere. I wish I can come up with a pill, okay, a pill that I can sell to people to stop them from doing stupid things, to panic and stop them from FOMO. I would be a gazillionaire because those two human emotion, panic and FOMO, are horrific, horrific, horrific. Okay, I wish I can figure out a way to tell people to train themselves to get rid of those two feelings because they are detrimental to success. Okay, detrimental to success. FOMO, panic, detrimental to success. Yeah, it's. I wish there's a way to stop people from having those two horrible emotions because it lead to nothing good. Nothing good come from those things. Hello, Jacob. So I just want to have this chat so that keep things in perspective because it's been 5 weeks and I don't want to keep it longer than 30 minutes. Yes, nothing has changed with me with crypto. I have constantly, continuously buy into crypto over the past few months. I have accumulated some decent Bitcoin at really good price. Pretty happy with that. And what do I think about the future as far as price target? I'm sure other channels have talked plenty. Do I think Bitcoin can go a lot higher from here? Yes. When? I have no idea. Okay, no idea. Short term, I do think 48 to 50,000 are going to be a huge battleground. So I can't wait to see how Bitcoin behave at that juncture. I think that's going to be a huge battle. But if Bitcoin can crack the 50, oh boy, you're going to see a lot of FOMO from a lot of people because a lot of people have been waiting for that to jump in. A lot of traders. As far as long term, I'm fine with long term. That's why I'm did not panic in the last 3 4 months. What is there to panic about? I mean, it's so much FUD. China, India, and now you have the bill, the infrastructure bill from the that just got passed yesterday. Oh my God, it's the end of the world. I can't see how that bill is going to get passed in the House. Okay, so the Senate, whatever, that bill will get sent back. That's my prediction. Okay. Hello, Ben Compton. Um, it's just politician being politician. Okay, they want to. Everybody want a piece of the pie of that $1 trillion or 3.5 trillion or whatever number they want to do it. So one guy want to fight it because he want 50 billion for the defense contractor. Eventually he gets some money. Okay, trust me, that bill is gonna get passed back, and then they're gonna monkey with it a little bit, and next thing you know, they're gonna have some compromise. Next thing you know, you're gonna hear that, oh, now they're gonna allocate 20 billion into the defense sector, and then he's gonna vote yes. That's just how politics work. It's dirty, it's scummy. Okay, it's scummy. Okay, it's if anything that I learned in my 30 plus years as an American citizen is politics in this country is nothing but scummy. Okay. Oh my God, it's complete utter nonsense. But I am surprised by the fact that Bitcoin and crypto in general did not take that bill is a horrific thing and crash. Okay, that's how funny fear and FUD is. Sometimes some fear and FUD, however small, have a huge impact, and sometimes some fear and FUD have very little impact. It's who knows what. The only thing that I can derive from the way Bitcoin behave is that a the institution, the big boys, and I mentioned this many times over the past 9 months. I talk about this. Once the big boy is here, and they are here, by big boys I mean Wall Street, Goldman Sachs, J.P. Morgan. Okay, once the big boy got here, they will yank this market whichever way they want it to go because they have the fun. The one with the bigger wallet can make things move the direction it wants. Okay, so whether it moved down and people want to tie all the other FUD to this, and now that the big boy want to pump it higher, and the infrastructure bill somehow didn't scare it like China or Turkey did, or or the miners moving away from China. Like I said, the big boys will move it when and where they want. Okay, we are here along for the ride. I'm okay with that. I understood where I stand. Okay, I don't need anything else really. Okay, I understand enough that the small fish, you and me, we don't really move the market. Okay, the big boys move the market. The whales move the market. So the whales will do things whenever they feel like it. Okay, and the only thing you can do is either you believe for the long run, or you get the f out because you're a scared little girl. All right, so that's your choice. The choice is, scale little boys and girls. Don't want to leave out the boys. Don't want the people to say that I'm calling boys girls. No, if you're scared little boys or girls, because this space is too scary, too volatile, maybe it's not for you. Okay, it's nothing wrong. Trading, investing is not for everyone. Okay, it takes a certain kind of personality to weather the storm, because there are always storms. Okay, there's always storms. There's always volatility. There's always the market, any market, comic market, stock market, crypto, housing, any market is driving by fear and greed. Okay, that's just the way life is. Okay, there's nothing else. Okay, nothing else more than fear and greed. So it's an emotional roller coaster in any asset that you want to invest or trade. There's always volatility, and the people that can't handle it tend to be the one that get hurt the most, because they sell at the wrong time and they buy at the wrong time. It's that simple. If you sell at the wrong time, if you sell at the bottom and you buy at the top, well, guess what? You lining the pockets of the people that know how to play the game. It is that simple. Okay, so like I said, I wish I knew how to create a pill that can stop people from panicking and FOMOing, because I think those are the two detrimental emotion in this market. I don't have it. Okay, I'm annoyed more at the people that are swayed by those emotions, more so than the people that talk nonsense. Okay, because the people that talk nonsense, they will not succeed in achieving their goal if the average person don't buy into the nonsense. Okay, the people, the influencers that talk nonsense, that move the market, they succeed when people believe what they say. Bitcoin is going to go to 10,000. Bitcoin is going to go to the moon. It's both ways. Okay, I'm not trashing the people that want to talk Bitcoin down. I'm trashing both the people that like to pump Bitcoin to the moon and the one that talk trash to the bottom. Okay, so that's it. I don't want to talk too long. I just want to update people on what I'm doing. I am still in it. Put more money into it. Now, would I buy more right here? No. Okay, let's make it very clear. I had been, if you knew, to the chat and just tune in, I did mention that I put in $20,000 worth of my money into this space over the past 3 months or longer, since the crash. Okay, I put in 20,000, so I'm there. I'm fine. I'm content with my position right now. I don't need to put any more money in. Certainly not buying at 46. I was buying, between 30 and 34. I think the most I paid was 34. The lowest I paid was like 30. My average was like 32.4 or something like that. So I'm content to just, I'm fine right now. No need to add any more. I got more than enough. So stay the course. Try to think logically and reasonably with level head instead of listening to every talking head and get all twisted in what they are saying. Okay, try not to be panicking on the infrastructure bill. Like I said, my prediction is going to go back to the Senate, and they're going to have to monkey with the numbers again, and then vote on it again, and then move it up the chain again. They will do this multiple times. Haven't we learned from all the stimulus bill over the past year plus? How many times it went back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth? No worry here. Okay, no worry. Not with me. Anyhow, that's it. Enjoy your day. Hump day, Wednesday. Time to follow the stock market. What it's doing, right? Bye bye.